All right, Sam, tell us where we're going.
All right, today we're going to Fall Creek Falls. It is one of my favorite parks in Tennessee. There's tons of variety, amazing waterfalls, if there's some rain. So, well, if there's been rain, but I think today's gonna be a good day.
Sam also brought us a fresh delivery egg sandwich from Dozen. How's that puppy taste? Delicious.
Fresh. The best egg sandwiches this side of the Mississippi.
So fresh. We're down here in Crawdadville. We're about to put on our bootstraps and hike up this mountain. Sam has the excellent hydration game.
With my nice Kroger brand water.
You got your Kroger brand, and I'm over here with my Evian.
Just jump in.
I don't like doing this, but I'm doing it. Conquering my fear of heights every day.
Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen, rest tomorrow, ways unfolding. Oh, we're taking the high road.
Scenic loop. Yeah, so we'll go out this spread. We're headed to the big boy.
What you snacking on?
This is Golden Flake Fruits Nuts Trail Mix Cacao Candies.
Alright, so we did. What's the first one called? We did the Caney Fork Falls. It's pretty cool. But now we are taking the very strenuous down hike to Falls Creek Falls to see the Big Kahuna, as Sam calls it. Get the shot?
Dude, we got the freaking shot, my guy.
We got the shot. Well, it's pretty strenuous. Coming back up. Why don't you say so?
The sign did not lie.
Sounded not lie. Thought it was not that strenuous. It's pretty strenuous.
We hiked on a semi-strenuous hike, and then while the rest of the group got the angle from the lookout, I walked down into the misty abyss and snapped some photos of some double rainbows, some single rainbows,
Any triples?
some backlit misty twiggies, and it was kind of hard to walk back up, so glad to take a little break.
What about you, Sam? How was your experience at Falls Creek?
Dude, just gotta keep living, man. Livin.
Today we're rocking some Munchies nacho cheese Dorito crackers paired with Munchies peanuts salted.
And waters to show detail.
Not actually that big.
Texture.
Small nuts.
This is my, what is this? Canyon coffee?
Yep.
In a GSI Outdoors pot. Pretty good.
So we're at the lodge at Fall Creek Falls, and let me tell you, these rolls, I'm ready for it. We earned it.
Let's see these puppies.
Each one equals a waterfall that we hiked to.
Cheers, boys. Well, today was amazing. Perfect weather, awesome views. Can't ask for anything better.